How to place a booking code in 1xBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the 1xBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to place a booking code in 1xBet app, here in this home screen at the bottom center, you can see the bet slip option. Tap on it. In order to place a booking code, the bet slip must been already created before. If you or somebody else have already created the booking slip, you can put that booking code and enter that bet slip. So here you can see the load bet slip option. Tap on it. Now you need to enter the booking code of that bet slip. Once you are done, you can tap on this upload button. And there you go. Now you have entered the bet slip that you have created before. You can place your bet over here. So that's it. That's a very easy process to place a booking code in 1xBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.